Deploying devices in an enterprise environment can often feel like navigating a maze. But with Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager, clarity and control are within reach. Imagine being able to efficiently and reliably manage device enrollments, ensuring compliance without the hassle. Let's start by understanding why deploying the Configuration Manager client matters. The client acts as the bridge between your devices and the central management system, enabling software distribution, updates, and policy enforcement. Without it, your devices remain unmanaged and your organization risks falling out of compliance. The first step is preparing your site for client deployment. Confirm that your infrastructure is ready. Review boundary groups, configure network access accounts, and check permissions. A solid foundation minimizes deployment issues later. Next, choose your deployment method. For most environments, client push installation offers automation and control. Enable client push in the Configuration Manager console. Designate accounts with sufficient permissions and verify that firewalls allow necessary traffic. For devices beyond your network, consider manual installation or leveraging group policy for broader reach. As you initiate deployment, monitor progress using the console's client status dashboard. It's your real-time window into installation success. If you see red flags, like failed installations or missing clients, begin troubleshooting with log files such as ccmsetup.log and clientpush.log. Common issues often involve network connectivity, permission misconfigurations, or disabled Windows management instrumentation. Finally, once deployment is complete and clients are reporting back, you gain the ability to push applications, updates, and policies consistently across your environment. That transforms complexity into confidence. With a structured approach and attention to detail, you're not just deploying software. You're building a management platform that supports your organization's security and productivity. Now, take the next step and empower your environment with Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager.